Adina, is this Thembi Republic?
Yes, please.
Thembi Republic. I think I need to come by and get something for my girlfriend.
You should, you should.
I love what you're wearing.
Thank you.
You and Stonebwoy have a chemistry. You always kill it.
I think, Stonebwoy is my brother, and I think that on stage, the magic just flows through our veins, and that's really what happened.
And what do you think about Ashaiman people, man?
Ooh, the love is deep. Like, they really supported and listened and jammed with me, and I'm so happy I got the opportunity to meet them through Stonebwoy, through this event.
Your new project is doing very well, and I've been playing that because the video is good, man.
Thank you.
Tell us about the making of the video and the concept behind it.
That's actually a performance video. So the real video is going to come very soon. This is just so you guys will know the lyrics and, be able to put visuals to the song and, yeah.
You're doing very well. Shout out to your team and yourself. Enjoy your night.
That's links. Thank you.
Enjoy your night.